Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS update stuck on update requested. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to update your software, you might see the error that your update has been stuck on update requested. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just simply go back and open your settings app again. And here you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. And you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just simply go back from here and just go to iPhone storage. And you just have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. You have to try to free up to 10 to 15 GB free more than your update size. You can also check your update size from your software update section. So once you have done, just go to iPhone storage and here just tap on the search option and you have to simply search for iOS. So if you have a bit downloaded file of your update, you might see that here. Just try to delete that file from here. And once you have deleted your file, your software update will be stopped. Now you have to restart your update. But before you restart, I recommend you have to try to go back. You can also try to reset your network settings, or you can directly make a force reset with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone and here just try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to check or note your update size here. Once you have checked, just go back, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to try to free up to more than 10 to 15 GB more than your update size. Once you have done this, simply go back, go to software update, and restart your software update. So once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.